Hello, my name is Kerby Rojas. This is Machine Learning Projects for Banks Access Solutions, 22nd of August 2022. So the opportunity evaluation, so we have the same areas to identify the problem or identify the solution. So the problem is determine the number of staff needed in banks during peak dates and peak times during the day. The solution with machine learning, so that many entities have automatic doors that can be set up with a series of sensors. Sensors can count people and determine when the door should be closed. The data also help entities to prepare with enough staff to provide customer support during peak days and peak times. Also, there is data the banks normally have from the historical data for the transaction they do per day. So they would be added to the automatic door solution. And is the bank care? Yes, the bank care because they are keen to have a solution like this in the places. They don't want to lose customers. They are losing customers at the moment because of lack of service, and especially when there are certain days like pay days or end of financial year, Christmas special day like Christmas period, or Mother's Day. Where this is the times when the people are coming to the branch of the banks or the bank branch, and fill out the customer area, and they don't have enough staff to support them. So in terms of feasibility versus business impact, it's at high, so it's located in very good position, as you can see on the screen, and tell me that there's a good opportunity for the solution, for machine learning solution to provide or to be done in this case. So using the CRISP DM business understanding, to define the problem, we got the target, the bank branches, the problem to increase or reduce staff according to the needs of the customer's arrivals. Why? Because the bank is losing businesses or losing customers due to long time and attending customers. Today, the bank have all the staff by turns predicting customers based on daily transactions only. They don't use something more than that. The gaps, daily transactions are not all the real customer arrival. As I said before, there are more people coming in, they are not attended. Define the success. The expected impact is to improve customer service, hence reduce losing customers. In the metrics, the idea is to increase in customer service in a 28% with our output of the mean of the less of minus 15. In terms of the factors, there are different factors that can affect this solution. The weather, the online, people are getting more of that. People, for example, with the weather, they go to the bank because it's raining. Special occasions, people go to the bank to buy more, to withdraw some money and to buy presents. Low interest, when there are low interest, people go there to get more credits. Peak times, because people like to go to the bank before work, during lunch, or at the end of the day. And on the financial year or the end of the year, corporates and people go to the bank also to do more transactions. Long wait, people won't go to if they know that the waiting queue is too long. And location, if the branch is not accessible or busy car park, people won't go. So solution validation plan. So the idea is to have historical transaction data, which is provide date, time, and transactions. But also you can have sensors on the door, as you can see here in the picture. They provide date, time, and people all together in the machine learning model that give us kind of a matrix where you can have different days, times, and stuff that you can predict or can be predicted for that specific day. The way to validate or to do these interactions is to analyze a specific day and try the model. And then if the model works in all the lessons have been learned, analyze a specific week and try the model. And then if everything goes well and the model is working, so analyze a specific month and try the model. If everything is successful, we could say that the model will work and it will be used for the whole year. So the machine learning system design, I choose cloud because the latency is no problem. The information is to predict, analyze beforehand. So it's going to be done beforehand. The data is kept in the bank database. So it doesn't need to be online. It doesn't need to be edge or the moment. And the bank networks are fully redundant. So they have plenty of information to carry around or support to carry around. It's offline learning because they, the model training is done on a schedule, so it's basically historical data to predict, and a batch prediction because prediction recurrent schedule, easy monitoring, and predictions can be for short future data. Potential risks on production, I found the data drift, for example, situations like COVID-19 or another pandemic affects people to go to the bank, resulting in changing the data. Bank personnel changing, and maybe the new bank personnel are no customer focused, and global economy affects the people behavior with money. So if something's happening there, people go more to the bank or less to the bank. And in terms of concept drifts, banks themselves are providing more online tools at the moment, so reduce the number of branches. Actually, I think here in Australia, there are many branches that have been closed because of that, and working from home can affect the times visiting the branch. They said now people could go anytime they organize their own time. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy it.